How to backup and restore WhatsApp messages? Here's how. To begin with, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Then in the top right corner of your WhatsApp screen, click on three-dot icon and choose Setting. Furthermore, select Chats from the Settings menu. Then scroll down and click on Chat Backup. Moreover, click on Google account and choose the account where you want your backup stored. Likewise, under the automatic backup, pick a frequency. Here, choose according to your preference. To include video in your backup, toggle the Include Video switch. Moreover, WhatsApp will automatically search for a backup link to your Google account. If a backup is found, click on Backup and wait for the process to complete. Finally, your WhatsApp messages is backed up and restored, and just like that, you now know how to backup and restore WhatsApp messages.